Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk through the intricate process of repairing the Asus K3400P motherboard. First, let's gather the required tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a thermal paste applicator, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Make sure you have a clean workspace and a container for screws to keep everything organized. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of each screw, as they may vary in size. Once the panel is off, you should see the motherboard along with various components such as RAM, the CPU, and the cooling fan. Take a moment to visually inspect the motherboard for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, carefully disconnect the cooling fan by unscrewing it and gently lifting it out. This will give you better access to the motherboard. While you're at it, it's a good idea to clean the fan and the heatsink to ensure optimal cooling performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust and debris. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Now, let's focus on the RAM. Gently push the clips on either side of the RAM sticks to release them. If you're experiencing issues with your device, it's worth reseating the RAM or replacing it if necessary. Always check for compatibility with your motherboard. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. Once you've checked the RAM, turn your attention to the CPU. Release the CPU cooler by unscrewing it and apply thermal paste as needed. This step is crucial for preventing overheating. If your laptop is frequently shutting down or overheating, this could be the solution. After addressing these components, it's time to reassemble everything. Place the cooling fan back in its position and reattach all screws securely. Make sure no wires are pinched and everything is seated properly. Finally, put the back panel on and screw it back into place. Power on your laptop to see if the issues have been resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We make it easy with no calls, no travel required, just a simple pickup service. This process may seem daunting, but with patience and the right tools, you can successfully repair your Asus K3400P motherboard. If you need any assistance at any step, remember we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.